Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens were considered as the descendant from the Homo erectus. And were considered as the final descendant out of all the fossils. Moreover, because they were more or less similar like man. It is due to this reason that the scientific name of human or man is called Homo sapiens. This I think everyone knows. So, Homo sapiens were of different types, out of which the first one was Neanderthal man. This classification is based generally on the characters which those men possess. So the first one is Neanderthal man. The fossils of it were collected from the Neanderthal Valley of Germany, and so it is named as. And so, due to this reason, such a fossil was named as Neanderthal man. Such fossil was collected or was estimated to come about 75,000 years ago. Which became extinct about 25,000 years ago. However, they possessed specific characters. These characters included such a man that is belonged to Neanderthal fossils possessed eyebrow ridges, in heavy and protruding manner. That is, they possessed heavy and protruded towards the outside ridges of eyebrow. Following it came that they did not possess chin, that is, chin was absent. Then they possessed large teeth. Their cranial capacity was about 1400 cc. That is 1400 cubic centimeter. Moreover, they prepared their tools much more skillfully than the previous man. That is, tools were prepared in more skillful manner than the previous men. That is the one that are prepared by the previous men. Following came the second type of fossil man, that is Rhodesian man. The fossils of it were collected from Rhodesia, and so they were named as Rhodesian man. These men possessed cranial capacity of about 1300 cc. That is 1300 cubic centimeter. Following came the other fossil man, that is Cro-Magnon man. These were the men who lived in Europe about 30,000 years ago. Apart from this, these men were found to be more nearer than the other men as compared to that of modern men. That is, they were more nearer to the modern men than the others. And therefore, they possessed almost all the characteristics of the modern men. And finally, the last fossil was modern man, whose scientific name can be defined as Homo sapiens sapiens. From general point of view, we generally say the scientific name of modern man as Homo sapiens. But on precise manner, on studying the fossil part, the modern man is defined as Homo sapiens sapiens. The successors of the Cro-Magnon man originated about 8,000 years ago. Their cranial capacity was about 1450 cc. That is 1450 cubic centimeter. Following it, attempts for food production from plants and domestication of animals led them towards the present-day civilization. That is, present-day civilization within them occurred due to the domestication of animals and food production from plants. This figure depicts the structure of various fossils of Homo sapiens, that is Neanderthal, Rhodesian and Cro-Magnon, and the modern man. This was all about the evolutionary tree of man. Apart from this, man is classified into different races based on various factors that includes appearance, characters, then zoological distribution, and many others. On this basis, the classification of races of man occurred. The main man, that is humans, are basically classified into 5 races, which includes first, Negroid race, second, Mongoloid race, then third, American race, Indian race, Australian race, and finally, Caucasoid race, which can be considered as a type of Negroid or Mongoloid race.